A 17-year-old made $200,000 from an airdrop. Airdrop will be one of the money-making opportunity in crypto in 2024 and 2025. Yeah, but what is an airdrop and how can you also make a life-changing money from an airdrop? So in this video, I'll be teaching you what is an airdrop and what you need to do to start making money from an airdrop. Are you ready? Let's get started. How to make $1 million through airdrop. Okay, the first thing that you need to know is what is an airdrop. An airdrop are free tokens or coins distributed to wallets for carrying out some activities. Crypto projects use airdrop for marketing. Okay, so the first you need to know is that airdrop is not giving. Airdrop is not given to individuals. Are not given to person, but they are distributed to wallet. Okay. Now, so that means those wallets must have performed some activity before getting airdrop. So this is the first thing that you need to know. So that means in order to get an airdrop, then you need to use your wallet to perform certain activities in order to qualify for an airdrop. For example, this boy made this 17-year-old boy made $200,000 from Jito airdrop. Okay, so that means his wallet interacted with this platform called Jito. Okay, he used his wallet to perform some activities on Jito. Okay, and he was qualified for an airdrop that worth $200,000. So it is easy to make $2 million to make $1 million through an airdrop. All right, so that means now what is the purpose of an airdrop? The purpose of an airdrop is for marketing. Okay, so crypto companies or crypto projects use airdrop as a marketing strategy, and it has been an effective strategy. All right, so next, what are the activities to perform to be eligible for an airdrop? Now, for example, this 17-year-old boy that was eligible for Jito airdrop that made him up to $200,000. What did he do? Okay, so there are some activities that need to be performed before one can become eligible for an airdrop. For example, we have the recently distributed when meme token to all Phantom users. Okay, so that means you must be a Phantom user before getting the WEN token. Okay, now let's see some of the activities that need to be performed. One of them is carrying out some tasks such as social media account following, you referring other persons to use the same application or the same solution or the same platform, installing apps and visiting daily. For example, there's a project called Pi. Okay, Pi, you need to visit the site and tap. Okay, so there are also some projects like ICE. There are some projects where over network where you need to visit their site and click on those applications on some buttons, and you mine some tokens. Okay, so two, interaction with the product, use airdrop. Some airdrop are given to wallets who have used the product of the project. Okay, now we have examples. Actually, okay, most of the airdrop that come very big, like the guy that made $200,000. Okay, now what he did was he farmed the airdrop by using the product of the platform, the product of the protocol. Okay, using the product, now using it, if it is lending, you lend, if it is borrowing, you borrowed on that same platform. Okay, as you do that, your point accumulate, your point increases. Okay, so one of the platforms that does that, many of the projects that are doing or that have something similar to this can be found on the Solana ecosystem. Okay, and one of them is that I like so much, I'm also farming, is Kamino. Okay, on Kamino, you can see on Kamino you have borrowing and lending. So what this project expects you to do in order to qualify for an airdrop is to come to this platform, connect your wallet. Okay, come to this platform, you borrow and you lend. Okay, then you provide liquidity. Okay, so liquidity means let's say you have USDC and you have Solana, you provide equal amount and you take it. Okay, so you use this platform, this is their derivative like or futures trading. If futures trading like, okay, you can also use this product, and so as you do that, your point will build up. Okay, so it is that point that will determine how much of the token of Kamino token that will be allocated to you. All right, so the next thing is staking of coins. Some projects require you to stake some coins to be qualified. Okay, so what it simply means that some projects they may not ask you to use their products like what we have with some Solana airdrop project or project that do not have tokens. Okay, so but in the case of some project, they will ask you to stake, okay, the native coin of that thing. Okay, one of the example is injective ecosystem. Well, on injective ecosystem, you can see on injective ecosystem. Also, we have some projects that are still building. They don't have token yet, yeah, but it is believed that this project they will do an airdrop. One of them is Black Panther, another is Timeless Protocol. So what you are expected to do is you providing liquidity on to Black Panther. I mean, you staking with Black Panther, you staking injective with Black Panther, and you staking injective token or injective coin with Timeless Protocol. What will happen is that when these two platforms, okay, or when these two projects, when they are doing airdrop, you will be allocated some airdrop. Okay, having understood that, the next thing to do, how to prepare for an airdrop. How to prepare for an airdrop. How do you prepare for an airdrop? For example, the people that got when airdrop, the people that got when airdrop. So what did they do? They prepare for when. Okay, now they prepare for when by using Jupiter Exchange, by using Phantom Wallet. Okay, so I'll be showing you exactly what you need to do, okay, from the beginning to the end in order to be able to start farming an airdrop and also make a life-changing money. So the first thing is to set up your wallet. It could be a Phantom wallet, it could be a MetaMask wallet, it could be a Trust wallet or Trust wallet. Okay, yeah, but I'll be using Phantom as an example. So setting up a Phantom wallet, what you need to do is to go to, okay, you can get the app, but let's use this as let's use laptop or the web for this teaching. But just go to your app store or Android Play Store and download Phantom Wallet. So I'll come and type Phantom Wallet extension. Okay, so this is Phantom Wallet extension. So what I will need to do is I will download it then. Okay, now I've installed Phantom Wallet. You can see it here. I've installed Phantom Wallet. So you can, okay, I will drop a guide on how to go about installing Phantom Wallet. Okay, so let's quickly do an overview and let's quickly go through what are the features on Phantom Wallet. Okay, so we have on this place, the home page, this is where you see some chains. We have Solana, we have Ethereum, we have Polygon, but we'll be using this solely for Solana project or Solana airdrop. Okay, on this place, this is where you have other maybe NFT and collectibles where you have it. This is swap. So this means you can swap Solana to any coin, let's say USDC or USDT. Okay, you can do that. Let's say one Solana to USDT will give you 95.87. Okay, so we have this is history, the activity that you are doing, and when you could be able to search, okay, anything that you want to search, this is the place you search, and this is where you get information about it. Okay, so having done that, let's look at the next thing that we need to do. So get information about a project doing airdrop. You get this on Twitter, YouTube, and crypto groups. Okay, now this is very important because information is what give people an edge, or it's what give people edge in the crypto space. So that means if you want to be ahead of 99% of people you need to be in places, you need to be join communities where you can get APHA, where you can get information, good information. So I will advise you to look for trusted and secure community, okay, and join on YouTube, on YouTube, on Telegram, on WhatsApp, on Twitter. Follow some accounts that you think are very good. Then subscribe to YouTube channel. Subscribe to CoinDollar YouTube channel. We give APHA. Also join our community. Get the link on the description. Follow us on Twitter and join our group. You will enjoy your stay. Okay, so then once you get that, then you can now go to Phantom and start for bidding point based on the guide that I'll be providing. Then build up point by interacting with the product. Okay, so we'll use Kamino, okay, as a case study here. So we'll get the address. Okay, we'll go to Phantom. If you are using an application, this is how you do it. You go to this is the search. This is where you search for token for applications. So you can see we are clicking it now. Then we can click go. So we are opening, okay, Kamino platform. So Kamino is a platform where you can borrow, provide and lend, where you can provide liquidity, where you can interact with the product or the services that or the solution that Kamino has on this platform. And as you do that, your point increases. So there's a point, you see your point increasing. So what you need to do is let's disconnect this first. Then we will now connect. Let's connect. Okay, so we are currently connected. So the first thing to do is to go to this place and borrow and lend. Okay, so when you are lending, you supply. Let's say I want to lend this. I'll supply and deposit. Okay, then I'll now come and borrow. Let's say I want to borrow. I can borrow. Yeah, I can also borrow okay, I can borrow I can okay, so you can borrow and you can also repay. So but this is the strategy. When you lend and you borrow, leave it on that platform until you have until the tokens have been allocated, until the airdrop has been given. Okay, and until you have claimed it, don't unstake or don't repay or don't take whatever fund you have on the platform, don't take it away from the platform. Okay, so that is the strategy that we're using. I have my own fund on this platform. I'm not unstake it. Okay, so you now come to this place and provide liquidity. Now the advice is to use provide liquidity on stable, likely equal. Okay, for instance, now MSO and so. Okay, so you come to this place, you have equal so and MSO. Then you click, you follow the guide and deposit. Okay, follow the guide and deposit. Then you also interact with this, go long and or go short. Okay, so when you are done, you'll be seeing whatever you have done, you'll be seeing it on this dashboard, which is your portfolio. So this is simply what to do when you are interacting with a project that will likely give an airdrop in the future. So how do we know that this platform is giving an airdrop? There's an announcement. There's an official announcement to us that you must get that announcement before spending your time and money and resources in farming the airdrop. All right. So now, you have farmed, you have started farming, and it is time to claim. It is time they've given allocation, time to claim. So what do you do next? Now let's now look at how to claim the allocated token and how to convert it to money. First thing is to follow the project on Twitter for airdrop allocation or airdrop allocation announcement. Okay, airdrop allocation distribution or airdrop allocation announcement. Okay, so what do I mean? Let's look at when. A good example is when. Okay, so the when project, you can see when is the first meme coin to launch on Jupiter launchpad. Okay, so they launched and they distributed when to all the addresses that have interacted with Phantom, that have interacted with the Phantom exchange. Okay, now they gave the announcement about when. Okay, okay, so I'm looking for that announcement so that you can you know that you should only follow official announcement. Okay, only official announcement is needed. Okay, so you can see, have you claimed your when airdrop? So whenever they give official announcement about airdrop allocation, so you need to get the link that they provide. This is important. Get the link they provide. Take that link and go and claim your airdrop. So this is the link. They provided a link and this is their website. So look at this. You can see claim airdrop when you come to this right hand side. Okay. So you go through, you scroll through, go through. So let's click on claim an airdrop. Then you connect your wallet to this platform. So let's connect our wallet. Okay, so our wallet is connected. So we just created this wallet, so we are not eligible for airdrop. But I want you to understand what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to use this to give you a guide. Okay. Now, actually, I had allocation on my various wallets. Okay. Now, you see 624,000 airdrop allocated. Okay. So what you need to do is to claim. After claiming, it will appear when we appear on the exchange on the home page. Okay. So when we appear here, um, okay, you see your token will appear on this platform. So the next thing to do is to convert that token to Solana or to stablecoin. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to that browsing function and click on Jupiter. So now I'm advising you to always use Jupiter or either Jupiter, okay, or Radium or Best Eyes. So these are the decentralized exchanges on Phantom. Okay. Now, when you use them, there's a possibility that you may likely get airdrop in the future. Okay. For example, the when is an example, is a case study of what I'm talking about. So always use Jupiter, Best Eyes, and Radium. Okay. So we have our when. So we want to convert this when to Sol. Okay. So we want to convert this when to Sol. You come to this place, you click on, you just type when, or you put the address. So let's say we have 625,000 when. Okay. So that means our when is able to give us, our allocation is able to give us up to $93, which is up close to one Sol. Okay, then you click on this and you sign in. Okay, then that means at this point you have converted your when to Sol. To send your Sol to your exchange, where you will later convert it to stablecoin, then now convert it to your fiat. Okay, so you come to that Phantom wallet, you click on send. So before then, you click on Solana, and before then, go to that exchange and copy your address. Let's assume this is the address that you're using. Make sure the address has Solana as the network. Okay, if you don't use Solana as the network when you're using Phantom wallet, so that means your money will be lost. Okay, so it should not be nice after working and losing it. So you come to this place and paste the address. Then you click on 0.9 Sol that you have and click on next. Okay, you click on next. Okay, so now you will go to your exchange and you find the token there. You find the Sol there. Then from there you can now convert it to USDT, sell it on the P2P platform. Enjoy life. Okay, guys. So that is simply how to farm an airdrop and how to claim the airdrop and how to convert it into dollars. Okay, if this video is helpful and you have learned a lot, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Share it with other persons, like and also comment. There's a video on spot trading that will teach you how to trade spot. On the link above, kindly click it and watch and learn a lot. All right, the CoinDollar community, the link to join the channel is on the description of this video. Kindly click and join the channel so that you can be getting free alpha and signals that will help you to make dollar daily.